many-man board. This is being circulated across the world by the majority of the business community, and especially in the startup community, is reading this book for creating their strategies. We'll go to we will see a video. I would request the attendees to please observe this video, and in between we'll have a stoppage. You will have to tell me how many changes are taking place in front of you. There are plenty of changes taking place in front of you. So how many changes you can see in front of you? You don't need to understand the language. You don't need to understand the characters. Only you focus on the changes which is taking place in front of you. Yeah, please. Yeah, I request once again everybody to observe how many changes you can see in this video. In between, we will stop over and we will go again. Devaki, we can start, please.
Clearly, somebody in this room murdered Lord Smythe, who, at precisely 3:34 this afternoon, was brutally bludgeoned to death with a blunt instrument. I want each of you to tell me your whereabouts at precisely the time that this dastardly deed took place.
I was polishing the brass in the master bedroom.
I was buttering his lordship's scones below stairs.
I was planting my petunias in the potting shed.
Constable, arrest Lady Smythe.
But how did you know?
Madam, as any horticulturist will tell you, one does not plant petunias until May is out. Take her away.
Sorry, madam.
It's just a matter of observation. The real question is, how observant were you?
Yeah, please stop over. Yeah. So, can somebody tell how many? Yeah, there is a written thing. 21 changes it is there, but how many changes you could see in this video? Can anybody say? Someone can unmute and say, or otherwise use the chat box.
I would urge participants to please go ahead and engage yourself. You'll really find it very interesting, and I'm sure the interest has already begun. So please go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead. Unmute yourself and please say, sir.
Can anybody say how many changes you could see there? Out of the 21, how much you can see? Can anybody say? Or otherwise you can use the chat box also, please. Chat box, it is there. Yeah. No response in the chat box. Nobody want to respond?
Should we play that once again?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, that will be good.
Clearly, somebody in this room murdered Lord Smythe, who, at precisely 3:34 this afternoon, was brutally bludgeoned to death with a blunt instrument. I want each of you to tell me your whereabouts at precisely the time that this dastardly deed took place.
I was polishing the brass in the master bedroom.
I was buttering his lordship's scones below stairs, sir.
Why, I was planting my petunias in the potting shed.
Constable, arrest Lady Smythe.
But how did you know?
Madam, as any horticulturist will tell you, one does not plant petunias until May is out. Take her away.
Sorry, madam.
It's just a matter of observation. The real question...
Yeah, please stop.
Servant.
Now, can anybody respond or comment on this? How many changes you noticed in this video? कितनी changes आप देख पाए? 12. Stephen Varghese sir, thank you very much. You could see 12 changes. Manu Lambai, he mentioned 6 changes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the response. If you respond properly, this session we can make this session more energetic and more useful. Yeah, 2 persons commented on this. Yeah. Stephen sir, thank you very much for your comment. You have noticed, yeah. Sajit 5, Rajesh 9. Thank you very much. Now we will see the realistic situation. Oh, Vipin, thank you very much for your comments. 7. Yeah, we will see the physical changes, how it is taking place in front of us. Yeah, let us revisit. Yeah, please go ahead.
Action. Clearly, somebody in this room murdered Lord Smythe, who, at precisely 3:34 this afternoon, was brutally bludgeoned to death with a blunt instrument. I want each of you to tell me your whereabouts at precisely the time that this dastardly deed took place.
I was polishing the brass in the master bedroom.
I was buttering his lordship's scones below stairs, sir.
Well, I was planting my petunias in the potting shed.
Constable, arrest Lady Smythe.
Yeah. You may close down. Yeah, okay, you may close down, please.
ఏదో మధ్యలో ఏమైందో సీరియస్ గా ఎందుకున్నాడు
Could you please close down?
Can I request others to please keep yourself mute?
Yeah. I hope everybody muted now. See, out of 21, few person could not see a single changes in the video. Few intelligent persons like Stephen sir could go up to 12 changes. See, the dead body itself changed. The person who were lying on the floor, he changed himself, and his style of sleeping changed. Even then we could not understand, we could not observe what kind of change is taking place in and around us. हमको किसी को नहीं पता है हमारी सराउंडिंग्स में कितने कितने चेंजेस होते जा रहा है. हम समझ रहे हैं कि हमको 40 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, 50 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. We proudly say that I have the experience 30, 40, 50 years. So I have the knowledge. So I can observe everything. I have the courage and I have the confidence and I have the knowledge. Lots of things we used to talk in our day-to-day life. Here, the Blue Ocean strategy teach you how we can observe the changes, how we can make use of the changes favorably for your personal life or your business life. We will revisit what is going on in this world. Yeah. Let me check and Mr. Kameshwara Rao, please, can you please unmute? Or otherwise, Devaki, can you mute her?
Mine is mute, sir.
Yeah, no, Mr. Kameshwara Rao, since you are the co-host, you can mute. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. And some photo is visible on that. Why that comes? I think it is not visible fully now. Yeah, Devaki, yeah, please go ahead. Blue, yeah. Yeah, we have in our personal life and in our business life, in our career, everywhere there is red ocean and blue ocean. Blue ocean simply means this strategy is referred for a product where there is no competition or very less competition. This strategy revolves around searching for a business in which very few firms operate and where there is no pricing pressure. In economics, it can be called as a monopoly market or oligopoly market. Normally, 95-99% in their personal life, in their career, in their business, get into the red ocean where we used to fight. Hangama ho raha hai, fighting chal raha hai, competition chal raha hai. This is the red ocean. How can we change into a non-competing area? That is what the blue ocean strategy meant for. We will go deep into this subject in the next coming slides. Let us go ahead. We will study thoroughly what is happening in red ocean. We compete in the existing market, but in blue ocean strategy, create uncontested markets. So then you will ask, is it possible? We can go to some real life examples, then compare the subject. That will be more easy to understand. Can anybody say that what is the meaning of OTT? Now, in the new generation, in the new era, everybody talk about OTT. What is the meaning of OTT? Can anybody say? Somebody can unmute and say, or
I think it should be one-time password. That is what I'm assuming.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Sushil ji. OTT, one-time password, and then over the top. Yeah. Vipin, thank you very much. You are excellent. Over the top.
Is it over the
Thank
top?
you very much for your comment, Vipin.
OTP means
It
over the top, sir. I
over
did
the
not know. All right.
Yeah. We will. It's not a problem. I was not knowing about it. Mr. Raghunathan also commented over the top. Thank you very much. I was not aware about this. Like the observation, like the changes happening place, I was not aware. After going through this blue ocean strategy, only I could see some of the changes. Not the complete changes. I am not enough to see the complete changes wisely, but trying to improve my ability through understanding the blue ocean strategy. So OTT, it means I want to compare in a real life situation. Taking the example OTT over the top, that means nowadays we see the film, Amazon OTT platform. It is an OTT platform. We see the film on Amazon online. So what was happening earlier? What is happening right now? We were going to see the pictures for entertainment with family. Minimum. Earlier, we were spending at least 1,000 rupees for watching a movie along with our family. I hope everybody will be with me. Minimum, we have to spend 1,000 rupees. Earlier, we were spending about 1,000 rupees in a movie with our family. Now, you can subscribe OTT of Amazon Prime for 999 rupees, less than 1,000 rupees for an year. And you can see any number of film, any language, any time. If you want to see a film in the midnight, even from your bathroom, there is no problem. So earlier, the furniture industry, the textile industry, film industry, they were competing in the existing market space. Here, Amazon Prime has created a blue ocean. What has happened? No competition there. And the second position beat the competitors. In furniture industry or in any other gold or textile, any industry, we fight each other. But in blue ocean, make the competition irrelevant. Koi fighting mein ja raha hai? Do anybody fight with Amazon Prime today? Price reduced, facility increased, time reduced, facility increased. So there are so many things decreasing and so many things increasing. We can see from the red ocean and blue ocean strategy what are the differences taking place. And the third point, exploit existing demand. हम फर्नीचर इंडस्ट्री में है, तो मैं केरला में बैठा हूं तो केरला, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटका नियर बाय स्टेट तक जाएंगे, उसके बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. I think there are some other disturbances. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, everybody. Devaki, hope you will observe the sound from where it is coming. Anyway, now it is there. Yeah. Raghuji, thank you for your comment. Yeah, Stephen.
We don't have that observation power. That is why we are here.
Yeah. Absolutely right. Oh, absolutely right, sir. So by learning this blue ocean strategy, at least we will increase little bit our observation strategy or observation ability. If you can increase a single percentage or even, it can create a great change in your life or in my life. After going through this blue ocean strategy, as Sushil Agarwalji told earlier, when he read this book, he bought 15 books and circulated among his friends. Just for, and free of cost, he circulated just for understanding this great tool. If we understand this great tool, we will be able to make great changes in our life. Not only in the business life, but in the family life, but in the social life, physical, spirit, every aspect of our life, we can make so many changes. For this one aspect. But in blue ocean strategy, create and capture new demand. They will go to North India. They will go to outside country. As of now, in furniture industry, we do business across this country. After understanding this blue ocean strategy, earlier we were only focusing in Kerala and nearby states like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Now we have changed the strategy after understanding this blue ocean strategy. The next point is the make value. How to reduce the cost? How transportation cost can be reduced? How reduction is possible? But in blue ocean strategy, break the value cost trade-off. How we can see understanding? I am saying as a simple example of Amazon Prime. It broke the entire value cost trade-off system. When we were spending 1,000 rupees for seeing one film, now for 1 year, we can see with less price, we can see more films. Do anybody can comment? Can anybody comment how many users are there, paid users are there for Amazon Prime in the OTT platform? At the top? Can anybody assume or predict in Amazon Prime how much maybe, how much could be the paid subscribers in the Amazon Prime? Anybody can comment. Either through voice or through chat box. No need to go to Google or search it. Just say from your mind how much you feel. No comments, right? It will be good if some interaction is taking place. Otherwise, the session will be boring.
Anybody wants to comment?
I think that 20% of the population in the world, the people are
20% of the population in the world. Could you? How much population you mean? The total population? How could be? The total population according to you?
Yeah, approximately 700 crore.
Yeah. So the 20%, how much could be? 140 crore?
140 crores.
Yeah. So as of now, Amazon Prime paid subscribers are there. 30 crore paid subscribers are there in Amazon Prime.
Oh my God.
That is the only one OTT platform. 30 crore. Earlier, how much were in the Red Ocean strategy in one film theater? How many people were going to see to watch a film? About 200, about 300,
That's all.
about 2. How much, sir? Stephen, sir, how much?
Around 250.
250, yeah. 200 to 300. So from this Red Ocean of 200 to 300, now in the Blue Ocean, it is 30 crore paid subscribers. That is how they broke the value cost trade-off. Reduce the cost, increased the volume, increased the subscribers, increase the profit by reducing the cost. That is the very important thing. By reducing the cost, by increasing the convenience, they broke the value cost trade-off. That is the Blue Ocean strategy. And the next one, align the whole system of a firm's activities with its strategic choice of differentiation or low cost. In Red Ocean, we will either focus into differentiation or into low cost. In furniture industry, when we take the example of furniture industry, some people focus on cost reduction. कैसे lowest cost में हमारा furniture बेच दिया जाए. That is the focus of few persons. कुछ national players का जो है उसका cost ज्यादा है. Their price is more, but they bring new products periodically. Those who are able to bring differentiation in their product, they were charging high. Those who are not able to bring differentiation, they were focusing on low cost. This is the Red Ocean strategy. What happened in the Blue Ocean? They take both the things together, differentiation and low cost. In Amazon Prime, what is the differentiation? You can see any number of films, any language, there is no border. You can see any number of films, any language, there is no problem. That is the differentiation. Again, the low cost. With 999 rupees, you can watch as much film as you can. So this is the basic difference between Red Ocean and Blue Ocean. You can see all these things in our family life, in our social life, in our career, everywhere. This Red Ocean is predominant in our life. Now, our interest should be to convert our Red Ocean strategies into Blue Ocean. We'll go to the next slide, please. How it is possible? As explained earlier, there is two major strategies. One is reduction and one is increase. Cost saving are made by eliminating and reducing. In Blue Ocean strategy, we have to focus on these four words. What is eliminating and reducing, creating and raising. These are the four major points to be remembered in the Blue Ocean strategies. I will repeat once again. Eliminate and reduce, raise and create. कॉस्ट में कम किया जा सकता है, क्वालिटी में बढ़ा दिया जा सकता है. So this is a very important point, elimination and reduction. Amazon Prime के अंदर क्या क्या eliminate किया है? क्या क्या reduce किया है? What happened in OTT of Amazon Prime? They have reduced the price. What they have eliminated? Time barrier they have eliminated. You can see any time, 24 hours. What they have raised? They raised the opportunities like language barriers they have raised, and they have created so many things together. So they put their strategy by eliminating and reducing and raising and creating. We'll go to the next slide. See, since we are talking about the furniture industry, I would like to mention some of the furniture examples. I don't know whether you know about this Furlanco strategy. This is a Keralite person, Mr. Ajit Karimpana from Kannur. He got 1,000 crore investment in the recent time. Last month, he got 1,000 crore investment. Do you know what he does? Anybody knows what Furlanco is doing? Anybody know what Furlanco is doing right now?
I believe
They are just
renting out furniture to people.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Sushilji. Thank you very much. Can anybody imagine that a furniture rental person got 1,000 crore investment? किराए पे दे रहा है, rental, furniture rental दे रहा है. According to our understanding, renting furniture was an inferior job earlier. There are some sound disturbances. I request once again, from wherever the sound is coming, if possible, they can mute their sound to facilitate the other people. Renting furniture was an inferior job in the earlier stages. So from that problem side, Mr. Ajit Karimpana created a blue ocean strategy, and he is giving rental furniture throughout India, not in one state, not in two states, not in South India, North India, East or West, nothing. He is serving across the country and not created a single rupee profit. That is also a very, very interesting point. Without creating a single rupee profit, he created number of customers. He increased the volume of business. Airbnb is one of their partnering company to rent the furniture. So this is the one blue ocean strategy came into force in furniture industry. We'll go to some another industry. We will refer to some of the other industries, other examples also. Everybody knows Byju now. This is the last India Today. Somebody might have read this India Today. The front page was displayed with Mr. Byju and Mrs. Byju, and it was written 16.5 billion US, the value of Byju's. For the convenience of viewers, I put it in Indian rupees. Maybe 16.5 billion, how much Indian rupees? Maybe few person may not be able to understand how much is the amount. Can anybody read this? 16.5 billion. How much in Indian rupees? Can anybody read?
1,23,481 crores.
Yeah. This is the cost of Byju now. 1,23 crore, lakh crore. Can anybody say how much profit Byju is creating now? I would say Baiju didn't made a single rupee profit as till the date. That is a great thing to note down. Baiju didn't made a single rupee profit till the date. Even then, his price, his cost, his value is 1.23 lakh crore. How it has happened? He created a blue ocean strategy. You know how many people were giving the tutorials, tuition centers across the country. Now he is teaching more than 10 crore students across the country, 10 crore students. Still he is not making any profit. And his value is 1.23 lakh crore. This is the blue ocean. We can observe from every industry. You can just go into some of the other industries. Mr. Roshan is joined here from Singapore. He is an expert for SaaS. Software as a service is going to become $1 trillion by 2030. I was not aware what it is about SaaS, like OTT. I was not aware what it is, SaaS. I got the information from Mr. Roshan. That's why I especially requested him to join here for giving any kind of comment on this. Software as a service. That is the full form of SaaS. Software as a service. I was not aware about this. $1 trillion by 2030. What is going on? Digitalization and automation. So he is into an audit gear platform which provide all the chartered accountants, company secretary, accountant, software, every facilities he is providing simply by 100 rupees per person per month, per company per month. Only so if I want that software to be purchased for my own purpose, I will have to spend about 5 to 10 crore for buying that software. That software is available for 100 rupees monthly user fees as of now. Like Baiju's SaaS is going to catch the entire market. Auditing, the chartered accountants, company secretary, all the duties will be going online. And cost of such things will be much, much, much lesser than the existing market. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah, there are more than 1,000 funded startups and 10 unicorns in the country. More than 1,000 funded startup in this area. Software as a service. 10 unicorns. So unicorn बोलने का time पे सबको doubt होगा कि what is unicorn? We have to learn about. Can anybody say what is unicorn?
Billion, sir.
Unicorn.
Coming with a billion value.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Sushilji. $1 billion US. That means it counts to Indian rupees 75,000 crore. Already 10 unicorn entered in the SaaS industries in India. Those who got more than 75,000 crore valuation in India itself. That is the strength of Blue Ocean in SaaS segment. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah, these are some of the information I collected from Mr. Roshan from Singapore. This $1 trillion, how it is going to happen? It's a recent report. A community of industry founders and builders alongside consultancy McKinsey and company. This company, consulting company, is taking the fair data around across the world. This is the report from McKinsey and company. And the country software industries trade group, NASCO. The industry which currently employ 40,000 workers could generate annual revenue of as much as US $70 billion by 2030. And win as much as 6% of the global market. India is going to cater 6% of the global need, which is forecast to be worth 1.3 trillion by 2030. We'll go to the next slide. We'll go to some blue ocean strategy already created in the furniture industry. I don't know if anybody knows about this Wakefit. They started as a mattress company 6 years back. Now they are doing more than 600 crore business annually by selling the furniture online. They give credit, they reduce the price. What they eliminate and reduce, what they raise and generate, they have reduced the cost. What they have increased, they have started giving on credit basis in connection with so many bankers across the country. We'll go to the next example. Yeah. For SaaS solution, yeah, Mr. Roshan will speak on that. Audit Gear is a solution for that. We can take support from Mr. Roshan for creating this accounting package. He is there. He will talk in the end of the session. This live space is another example. They are making 650 crore annual turnover and targeting 2,000 crore by another 5 years of time. This is the second blue ocean in furniture industry. Yeah, we'll go to the third blue ocean in furniture industry. HomeLane. This is another blue ocean in furniture. In furniture industry, there are persons having 30, 40, 50 years of experience, or sometimes generations of experience, but they could not reach at least 300 crore turnover. Now, this gentleman came just simply out of the IIM or IIT. They started some online platform and now doing 500 to 600 crore turnover. This is another blue ocean. We'll go to the next example. D-Life. This is another example from Kerala. They are doing more than 300 crore as of now. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah, Pepperfry. Everybody knows about Pepperfry. I don't need to explain it much more. Yeah. And the next one, Urban Ladder. Everybody knows this company has been purchased by the Reliance Industries. So, Urban Ladder has been purchased by Reliance Industries and they are going to come as Jio. Jio SIM card कैसा बेचा गया था सबको याद है. तो फर्नीचर इंडस्ट्रीज का अंदर इन लोग क्या हंगामा करने वाला है आप सोच सकते हो. How they are going to do the blue ocean strategy in furniture industry, we cannot imagine. What is the solution? We want to discuss about the solution also. Yeah. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah. This is another example. How GoStop. This is another blue ocean strategy. They offer air-conditioned dormitories with high-speed internet and neat and clean bathrooms. Just 300 rupees per day. It is across the country right now. These GoStops, they are functioning across the country. We'll go to the next slide. The most interesting thing through the survey, what they have studied, out of 4% traveling, one is in the age of 15 to 34. They are the backpackers. They don't want to go to any hotels. They need high-speed internet a very good place, air-conditioned place to sleep, and need a neat and clean bathroom. This is the three requirement of JUMP. All these three created in Blue Ocean strategy and now offering 300 rupees per day. Can you imagine how this 4,000, 5,000 rupees hotel people will survive in this world? They will get into the red ocean right now. We'll go to the next slide, please. Again, another example. How digital marketing works. We'll go to the next slide. We will study how the newspaper advertisement and how the digital marketing. We will just have a comparison. In Kerala, I have made a comparison. When I want to do a newspaper advertisement in the front page, in a leading newspaper in Kerala, I need to spend 1 crore rupees per day. Against which, if I am doing digital marketing, here there is a red marked item, 61,634 dirham. That means 12,32,000 rupees and 683. Instead of 1 crore, I need only to spend 12 lakh. Again, if I am giving a newspaper advertisement, I don't know how many people read this newspaper. I only know the circulation given by the media person or the publisher. But in Blue Ocean strategy or in digital marketing, we can understand who are all seen my advertisements, who are all liked this advertisement, who are all following this advertisement. We'll go to the next slide. See, here is a very interesting thing. Everybody might be knowing this. 18 to 65 years of age. We can decide the age group, male or female, with the PIN code number. Wherever you want to focus, you can do the marketing through digital marketing system. So how this old Red Ocean newspaper advertisement strategy will work out? You just think about it. We'll go to the next slide. 8 principles of Blue Ocean strategy. There are 2 major sectors. One is formulation principle, another one is execution principle. In each principle, there will be 4 points each. Formulation principle, there is reconstruct market boundaries. अभी हम लोग जितना भी एग्जाम्पल्स पहले देखा गए थे, ब्लू ओशन सबका बाउंड्रीज ब्रेक किया हुआ है. जो 300 रुपीस में डॉर्मेटरी एयर कंडीशन विथ क्लीन नीट एंड क्लीन बाथरूम, they have reconstructed their market boundaries. And the OTT platform, they reconstructed the market boundaries. You know that. It is not a district, it is not a state, it is not the region, it is across the country or across the world. That is the Blue Ocean strategy. The second point is focus on big picture. Again, not in the regional, not in the country, so but in the world. As a big picture, we have to see the thing. Formulation principle. रेड ओशियन स्ट्रैटेजी के अंदर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कितना है, हमारा स्टेट में कितना है. रिक्वेस्ट दी मिस्टर कामेश्वर राव टू म्यूट और देवकी कुडिया. थैंक यू वेरी मच. रीच बियॉन्ड एग्जिस्टिंग डिमांड. लोकल डिमांड की आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड रिक्वायरमेंट में द नेशनल रिक्वायरमेंट की बाउंड्रीज का अंदर चला जाता है. रीच बियॉन्ड एग्जिस्टिंग डिमांड, गेट द स्ट्रैटेजिक सीक्वेंस राइट. स्ट्रैटेजिक सीक्वेंस जो है, अभी ओटीटी में क्या किया है, फर्नीचर इंडस्ट्री में क्या किया है, बाइजू ने क्या किया है, दे हैव चेंज्ड द एंटायर स्ट्रैटेजिक सीक्वेंस. We'll go to the next principle. Execution principles. There are again 4 principles in execution area. Overcome key organizational hurdles. क्योंकि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर कोई भी आदमी कुछ नया चेंजेस लेके आ रहा है तो सब लोग उसको ना बोलेगा, ये तो कोई पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये चलने वाला नहीं है। In 2000 period, when Mr. Steve Jobs decided to introduce this mobile into Android version, the organization CEO left the company, saying that it is not going to work in the market. Because till that time, no Android was present, so this product cannot be sold in the market. That is what the CEO's comment was. But at that time, Steve Jobs said, the consumers do not know what they need. So he created it. He said, the normal child should be able to use the mobile without having any guidance. So from his vision, the Android performance has started across the world. Now everybody is using Android phones. So these are the few organizational. Yeah. Sorry, there was a phone. Execution into strategy. The red ocean strategies के अंदर execution और strategy दो different departments. In red ocean strategy, execution department and strategy department is two different things. But in the blue ocean strategy, it works together. The third point, align the value, profit, and people proposition. It is very important. Value, profit, and people proposition. In the red ocean, those who are focusing into profit, they never focus into value or people. And those who are focusing into value or people are not able to make the profit. They have to run it as a social work. But in the blue ocean strategy, it aligns the value, profit, and people proposition together. Renew blue ocean. It is not mean that once the blue ocean strategy is started operating, started functioning, you need not to renew it. You have to continuously renew the blue ocean strategy. Then only you can have a sustainable growth in your industry. We'll go to the next slide. Roshan, could you please mute your mic, please? Yeah. Risk factors. This is how we can reduce the risk factors in each principles. Risk factors, each principle attenuate. It means how we can reduce the risk factors. Reconstruct market boundaries. Search the risk, what it is. Focus on big picture. What is the strategy to be taken? Planning the risk. What is the risk involved in it? Reach beyond existing demand. Scale the risk. Get the strategic sequence right for which business model risk. We have to evaluate all those things. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah, risk factors of the another principles. Overcome key organizational hurdles. Organizational risk, we have to evaluate how to reduce it. Management risk, we have to evaluate how to reduce it. Sustainability risk and renewal risk. All these points we have to evaluate while implementing the blue ocean strategy. We'll go to the next slide. 4 action framework. This is very, very, very important in blue ocean strategy. We'll go into each point. There are few points. I have already explained to you earlier. Reduce, raise, create, and eliminate. These are the 4 very, very important pillars while strategizing the blue ocean strategy. Reduce and raise. Which are the things? How we can reduce the cost? How we can increase the quality? How we can eliminate some of the things? How we can create few important things for the satisfaction of the customers? In each and every segment, we have to think about these 4 points each and every minute of our life. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah, this is head-to-head competition to blue ocean strategy. रेड ओशन स्ट्रैटेजी से ब्लू ओशन स्ट्रैटेजी में जाने के लिए इंडस्ट्री क्या करना चाहिए, स्ट्रैटेजी क्या लेना चाहिए, बायर ग्रुप क्या करना चाहिए, और स्कोप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस ऑफरिंग, फंक्शनल, इमोशनल, ओरिएंटेशन, टाइम. These are the major 6 points to be kept in mind, because we have to travel from red ocean to blue ocean. So what we have to do in the industry, focus on rivals within its industry. We fight with the existing industry. We have to look across the net, alternative industry. Yeah. Could you please mute the sound, please? Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Strategic group. What Red Ocean is doing focuses on competing position within strategic group. Within the strategic group का अंदर काम कर रहा है. Blue Ocean looks across strategic group. Wherever there are fight is going on, they go across the boundaries. Buyer group के अंदर what happened? Focuses on better serving the buyer group, but in Blue Ocean strategy, redefine the industry buyer group. In the OTT platform or in the Byju's, in any of the Blue Ocean strategic people, you can see the differences. Scope of product focuses on maximizing the value. Red Ocean, how we can increase the price, that is what Red Ocean is searching for. But in the Blue Ocean, looks across to complementary and service offering. What is complementary? OTT के अंदर अगर आप Amazon Prime सब्सक्राइब कर दिया है, तो आपको जो भी आइटम आप Amazon से ऑर्डर करेंगे तो आपको फ्री डिलीवरी चार्जेस मिल रहा है. That is complementary. In furniture industry, what we have done, apart from furniture, we started selling grocery along with the furniture. So that is a complement. And in functional and emotional orientation, Red Ocean focuses on improving price performance within the functional emotional orientation of this industry. But in Blue Ocean, rethinks the functional emotional orientation of its industry. Blue Ocean is always rethinking how changes can be made. Time. Red Ocean focuses on adapting the external trends as they occur. But in Blue Ocean, participates in shaping external trend over time. Blue Ocean creates the strategy. Now, every new education online platforms are following Byju because he created the role model. So Blue Ocean, they dictate the history, they create the history. But in Red Ocean, people follow the history. That is the difference. Yeah, we'll go to the next slide. This is the customer segment. In the Red Ocean, people focus on current market only. But in Blue Ocean, apart from the existing competing market, there are 3 tiers. The tier 1 soon to be. the customers are expected to be converted into our business very soon. This is the tier 1. The tier 2 is refusing. The tier 3 is unexplored. You can see from the Byju's or from the OTT Amazon Prime, they are not focusing into the current red ocean. They are into tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. This tier 3 is a big market through which they have acquired. From the tier 3 unexplored market, where there is no competition, they brought 30 crore customers in Amazon Prime and 10 crore customers for Byju's Learning App. So all these people selected their customers from the tier 2 or tier 3, where there is no any competition. Yeah, we'll go to the next slide. This is very important. The 6 stages of buyer experience cycle. There is a lesson completely oriented for this in this book, Blue Ocean Strategic book. Customer productivity. The Red Ocean Strategic people only search or focus on the user side. I want to sell a purchase. I want to sell a chair. How the user is buying or user is using. But in Blue Ocean, they focus into simplicity. They focus into, yeah. They focus into convenience. They focus into risk, fun and images, environmental friendliness. Then purchase, delivery, supplements, maintenance, and disposal. Including the disposal, the Blue Ocean strategy is focusing. But in Red Ocean, only focus in use only. That is how the Red Ocean is thinking and Blue Ocean is spreading and growing. We'll go to the next slide. This is the profit model in the Red Ocean. Yeah. 480. Yeah. In the Red Ocean, they only focus into price. But in Blue Ocean, Red Ocean, price and the profit and the target cost. But in the Blue Ocean, it includes streamlining the cost innovation, partnering with others, pricing innovation. These are the additional features included in the cost pattern of Blue Ocean strategy while producing a product. We'll go to the next slide. There are 4-step process. Cognitive process, hurdle. What is cognitive hurdle? Nobody knows what is happening in Blue Ocean. So awareness is very important. Then resource hurdle. We don't have that much resources to implement the Blue Ocean. Motivational hurdle again. If we try to explain all this Blue Ocean to the person, they will not be even try to listen to these things. Very fewer people came in for listening this subject. Then political hurdle again. Political hurdle again. So these are the 4-step process where we have to focus to overcome the challenges faced while converting from Red Ocean to Blue Ocean. We'll go to the next slide. This may be a little bit boring for those who are not from the industry, but I would like to conclude by showing few more slides. See, the consequences of the presence and absence of fair process in formulation and execution. There are 2 kinds of formulation and execution strategy in every field. Not only in business, but in our life also. What is that? One is fair process. Another one is violation of fair process, fair and unfair. So Blue Ocean focus on the fair things, intellectual and emotional recognition, trust, commitment and knowledge sharing, voluntary cooperation in strategy execution. In Blue Ocean strategy, there is no supervisors among the workers. They get the strategy, they work from their home, they create the result, they work and cooperate with others. But what happens in Red Ocean? Intellectual and emotional indignation. Whatever way we can humiliate the people, that is what we are focusing. Distract, resentment and knowledge withholding. We will not, whatever knowledge we hired, we will not show to any other person. In the training industry, what happened? If somebody created some slides, they will not provide to others. They will not allow to record the presentation. This is the Red Ocean. Distrust, resentment, and knowledge withholding. But in the Blue Ocean, people accept even recording, sharing the PowerPoint presentation. I am here to share this PowerPoint presentation to everybody because I want to create the Blue Ocean. And non-cooperation in strategic execution. हाँ, मैं बड़ा है, तुम छोटा है, वो बड़ा है, मैं छोटा है. He is bigger than me, he is lesser than me, he is smaller than me, he is white, he is black, he is educated, he is not educated. These barriers are completely avoided in the Blue Ocean strategy. We'll go to the next slide. With this, we will conclude the Blue Ocean and we will try to show you some of the practical experiences. In Red Ocean and Blue Ocean, there are two different kind of approach. Value proposition and profit proposition and people proposition. In every field you can see. Value, people and profit. Blue Ocean, the strategy approach, the alignment of these three strategic proposition in pursuit of both differentiation and low cost. I told it earlier also, it focuses both differentiation and low cost. It focuses in raising and increasing and at the same time reducing and eliminating. But in the Red Ocean strategy, either differentiation or low cost. This is the another major variation in Red Ocean and Blue Ocean strategy. Yeah, we'll go to some of the practical experience. Blue Ocean ship furniture industry. What we have done in our furniture industry, we'll try to explain you. Yeah, we'll go to next. This is our experience. We created a carpentry platform, totally non-profit making. This is a facility fully provided free of cost to the manufacturers, dealers and distributors. You will think how you can create such a, we have spent more than 1 crore rupees for creating this platform and given totally free of cost for manufacturers, dealers and distributors for creating the value and for creating the Blue Ocean. We'll go to the next slide. Online facility offering to the manufacturers, free online platform to display products to customers, no listing charges. Manufacturers will be given totally free listing charges for listing the product in our site. Yeah, next please. We will make it little quick because our experience may not be interested for other persons to know about, but I just wanted to share what I have done. Yeah, the acharyas, those who practice and preach, they are called as acharyas. So if I tell you something, I should have practiced it in my industry, in my life, in my personal life. So what I have done in my personal life, I have facilitated upload pictures of your products at your price. The dealers are given the liberty to list their products at their price. They don't need to give any commission or charges to us. No, it is a totally free service. A website will be given to each furniture dealer free of cost, without any cost. No price regulation or listing fee. No charges will be taken. Next, please. Vertical platform for each of you exclusively. You can do whatever way you want in your website. There is no problem. We don't have any control. Next, please. Display their product. The dealers will have three options. They get free website. They can list their product at their own price and sell. If they don't have the stock, they can go to the distributor's website and select from there. If the distributor is not having the product, they can go to the carpentry website. There are more than 100 manufacturers listed their products in the website. So without keeping any product stock, without investing a single rupee in the product, they can make the sales. That is the blue ocean. We'll go to the next slide. Provide customers EMI. What we increase or raise, customers can get credit from the bankers through EMI. Give credit at no risk by partnering with ISAF Bank. We have collaborated with a bank called ISAF to do all these activities. Yeah, that is the blue ocean. Collaboration is a blue ocean strategy. Yeah, we'll go to. Leverage the opportunity of becoming a banking agent. See, banks are also going to go to the villages, and all the furniture dealers are going to be a small banker. They can collect the money, not only ATM facility. They can deposit the money, they can withdraw the money, they can transfer the money. All the facilities can be given by a furniture dealer. This is the additional blue ocean strategy. Yeah, we'll go to the next slide. Generate more revenues through online sales. Apart from the offline existing market, they can generate more revenues. We'll go to the next slide. Reach right customers through digital marketing. I told you, with the low expenses, we can reach to more customers for which we give free of cost back office facilities from our side. Yeah, next. Free digital marketing services, already told you. Yeah. Be privileged to be an experienced studio and logistic partner. Distributor is becoming a logistic partner and experienced studio. The Urban Ladder, Pepperfry, everybody has one or two experience center in a state, but we have 14 experience centers across the state as of now, and we are planning pan-India very soon. Yeah, next please. Be a last mile courier partner to e-commerce sellers and a bank agent at the same time. To a dealer, we give some additional collaborative benefits. They will become the local delivery partner to Amazon, Flipkart, or any other online company, through which they can generate another income. Partnering with bankers, for every withdrawal and deposit, they can get some money. They can give home loan. They can give a property loan. So this is the additional features of a dealer. Yeah, next please. Manufacturer, optimize your production and sales volume by way of reaching out to more buyers. All the manufacturers will be supported by the digital platform as well as the distributors and dealers. Yeah, next please. All these persons, without conflicting into any other sectors, without fighting with any manufacturers, distributors or dealers, more customers, more turnover, more profit, more value. That is what we are targeting. Yeah. More business volume, At no investment. No need to invest any money on the stock or space. Yeah. Next, please. Creating uncontested marketplace and making the competition irrelevant. This is the final strategy of Blue Ocean, which we are practicing as of now, creating uncontested market by collaborating and not by fighting with any of the industrial segments, and creating uncontested marketplace and making the competition irrelevant. That is all. And we'll go to an interactive session. Anybody have any kind of question? In any language you can ask, either in Hindi or English or Tamil, Malayalam. Whatever way you can ask the question, we will have an interaction. Oh, I have spent 50-55 minutes for explaining about all these things. Sushil ji will go to some interaction. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much for listening.
Yeah, so thank you very, very much, sir, for this beautiful, energetic session that you did just now. It is going to be path-breaking and a huge change from what we were thinking, contemplating, and acting. I would urge that, one thing, of course, I'm recording this session, so I will put it on YouTube and, of course, on my channel, and then I will upload it on the groups so that it can be circulated amongst people, because whatever you said, golden words, they can be repeated, but they need to be understood, they need to be heard, they need to be repeated again and again, and people need to assimilate because it's got a lot of meaning. And this beautiful recording, PPT that you shared, I would urge, in case if it is not a proprietary thing and you want to share with me, so I can certainly amplify this, maybe even take it forward, maybe in my own way. I will also probably add on certain small things here and there and probably teach it to the college students, etc., or to industrial entrepreneur friends. So that could also be done. And whatever examples they have given, because this was not only interactive in terms of whatever he said, it was not monotonous, because right from wake lift to lift space and all that, and for Lenko, the experience that you said, and whatever you are creating is going to be path breaking. And I'm really glad that, whatever, you are a young man in any case, because you are doing a lot of startups and you're talking about technology, you're creating a platform. That is the need of the hour. And I think, maybe because this is a very small time for you to, in less than an hour, to narrate and explain about Blue Ocean strategy. But let me tell you, friends, whatever just now Ravindran sir said, what is trying to contemplate and convey is that today we need to look at our entire business model, the way we are doing, into a very different way. How you can not that, one beautiful chart that you had shown was that we all produce products for use, but we don't give experience. And that commodity selling is thing of the past. Now people want experience. There is given a classic example of Amazon Prime, and I did not know that 30 crore people are there. And I'm extremely sorry about that OTP or OTT, because I thought it is one-time password, but you mentioned OTT. In any case, I did not know the meaning of OTT. So that is very clear. So thank you very much for highlighting that. So I would urge and say that, all of you are free to kindly ask question, and I want small deliberation, Ravindra sir, on that particular point of your, when you said that use 6 stages, that is magnificent. I think that one slide will actually convey the real meaning of the Blue Ocean strategy, how you should be different. So please deliberate a little more on that. And then, of course, we are open to question and answer. We have maximum time limit of 5 p.m. So we'll close by that in any case. So I would urge all of you to engage, and ask as many questions as possible. Go ahead, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sushil ji. PPT will be shared to you with immense pleasure. It is not my property, it is the property of the universe. Where we are sitting in our home, it is the property of the universe. It was somebody else's property generations before, and it will be somebody else after few generations of time. So PPT is yours, and everybody can enjoy it. It is the Blue Ocean strategy also, keeping secret, keeping something with my own pocket. It's a Red Ocean strategy. It will be shared with pleasure, and I will explain it, that 6 points. Devaki, could you please upload that PowerPoint once again, so that I thought it may be boring to take more time on that subject, because the industrial person will be interested on that, but somebody from outside may not be interested on that matter. Anyway, we will see. There are vertical and horizontal points.
Exactly.
6 points each from both the sides.
I really want you to deliberate honestly on this and give us a perspective. What exactly is this communication? Because the moment we understand, we don't have to be in commodity space and not use how we can do all kinds of other things. And this is a beautiful, let's say, study that somebody would have done. And I'm thankful to you for offering this PPT to me. And I've requested this, that I will also modify, maybe add and do whatever so thank you for giving this permission. Go ahead, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See, there is two different verticals. That is one buyer's experience cycle. That is purchase, delivery. Actually, in buyer's experience circle, purchase, delivery, use, supplement, maintenance, disposal, all these 6 points are very, very important. But in Red Ocean, only people think about the use. When we create a chair, we only think about how the people will use it. We will never think about the delivery system. We never think about the purchase system. We never think about the supplement. What is the supplement? Along with the chair, if you can give a cushion, it will be some extra comfort to the customer. If you provide it free of cost, then the customer will be more happy. So the valuation of the platform will be increased by giving a cushion free of cost. It's for creating the value. It is for acquiring the customer. It is for increasing the sales volume. And then the maintenance and the disposal. Majority of the manufacturers are never thinking about the maintenance or disposal factor. But in Blue Ocean, see another vertical you can see the 6 utility levers. Customer productivity, simplicity, convenience, risk, fun and image. Because there should be some fun also along with this. Environment friendliness. In Red Ocean, nobody think about these points. Red Ocean only use and money. मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट देना है, मुझे इतना पैसा मिलना है. बाकी आप डिस्पोजल किधर भी करो, आफ्टर सेल सर्विस कहीं से भी ले लो, मुझे कुछ तकलीफ नहीं है. आई एम नॉट. But in Blue Ocean, we have to think about all these points. See that red mark in the bottom, it is clearly written current industry focus. That is the red mark. Blue Ocean offering, it is mentioned everywhere. Blue Ocean is focusing on each and every segment in vertical and horizontal, in utility lever and in buyer experience cycle. Hope you are clear right now, sir. If you have any more question, we'll deliberate on that. Is this clear, sir?
Absolutely clear, sir. Thank you very much for deliberating on this wonderful point. And I would urge all my friends who are here, please go ahead and ask your questions, because he has done his homework, he's prepared fully, he's passionate. And I think it is a great learning process here. Please go ahead.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Anybody can ask question, please.
The last slide once again.
Pardon?
The slide what you have shown just now. You
Yeah.
know the 6 stages of buyer experience cycle. You have mentioned the 6 aspects, and Blue Ocean offering only 3. Why not all the 6?
Yeah. Your question is very good.
See, now also some of the companies are focusing on. They are giving delivery system. They are giving pre-owned delivery, and the way they handle the furniture is, it's an exceptional way. So delivery, Blue focusing.
Thank you very much for your question.
And
other points are blank. That is your question.
Yeah, that's right. We can put the Blue Ocean all the columns blue.
Right, right. All other things which are not mentioned as blue, Blue Ocean strategy, they collaborate with others for giving all these facilities. So while creating the strategy of Blue Ocean, all these points must be kept in mind, and either you should be able to provide or you should be able to collaborate with the particular segment for providing such facilities. That is why it kept as blank.
Yeah, you see, रवि साहब, आप ये आपका फ्री साइट का मेंशन किया ना, इसमें ये डिस्पोजल भी क्या है कि कॉलम दे सकते हैं ना. Anybody wants to sell their old used furniture, they can put their something like that.
We are going to implement this, sir. Yeah, they can return back the used furniture.
Yeah, so that can be
furniture they can sell it out.
Yeah, they can. It can be shown in the disposal column.
That that facility is going. It is not mentioned there because the platform, the background is not ready right now, but it is in the strategic system right now, sir.
Yeah, and in the fifth one, maintenance also. Some of the
maintenance and disposal also. We want to, whatever furniture brought, if they want to dispose, we will buy back. If they want to maintain, we will do that.
Yeah, okay. And
that formality is going on. Thank you for your point, because that should be included in the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Reveda, once again. And the 3 tiers you have mentioned. 3 tiers from
3 tier,
Red Ocean. This is the one. And can you give me an example of tier 1, tier 2, and the Blue Ocean tier 3?
Yeah. See, when we take the example in the training industry, let us discuss about the training industry.
Okay.
Current market, everybody fight.
Okay.
And give criticism to others. This is the current market in the red market area.
Okay.
Tier 1 soon to be. We expect that customers will be converted soon. That is the probable customers. They are not the existing customers. They are the probable customers. That is the tier 1.
Okay.
The Blue Ocean never ever look into current market.
Okay.
They only they start looking from tier 3 because unexplored, like OTT platform. They never compete with the theater owners. They never compete with the regional players. And even then they created 30 crore customers without touching any of the current market area. So they captured the tier 3 first, which is the biggest one. There is no competition.
Okay.
So the Blue Ocean strategy focus from tier 3 unexplored in the initial stages, and they have tier 2 and tier 1 later stage. But the primary focus will be into tier 3.
Okay, so at present scenario, you are mentioning tier 3 is the Blue Ocean strategy market area.
Yeah, but the Blue Ocean is also can be spreaded across tier 2 and tier 1.
Okay. Thank you, Reveda. Thank you very much for your wonderful presentation.
Thank you very much. The PPT will be shared to you also, sir. If anybody want, they can send message, and for you, I will forward, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Stephen, sir. Your questions actually said that you are engaged in the conversation and you're trying to assimilate and understand. And that's the right way to go about. Because somebody who's an authority knows the subject in and out. And though we may know broadly on a macro level, to know it from the micro level and also put it in practice is something which is very important. That should be the key takeaway which you're doing. Thank you very much for that. And I would urge all my other friends, in case if you have any question, please proceed, and we would certainly like to honor Ravindra sir also. We have prepared a small certificate for you, sir, because recording is going on, so I'm unable to share that at this point. So, we'll certainly share that also. But in the hindsight, any question from any friends here? Anybody has? And Mr. Roshan, would you want to say something on the startup, sir? Any technology stuff you want to say, sir? Because you're a big resource.
Yeah, Matthew Roshan.
Hi, Sushil sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Please. You can
Thank you for the
explain your
opportunity
Blue
and-
Ocean strategy in that audit gear also, please.
Sir, I would like to just mention a small thing, and I think this is absolutely fine for me to discuss on an open public platform. That, you know, as you rightly said, Blue Ocean strategy. That is what I have been thinking about it all my lifetime, and we have a presumption that over a period of time, all those have-nots and people who are let down in the society, who have no money or education, or from B or C class cities, today are looking for jobs or entrepreneurship, but they don't know what business could be done. They are the section of society on one hand. On the other hand, we have lots of MSMEs who want to sell their products and services. Like Ravi sir said, that are more than 100 people who are on the carpentry. This is a beautiful logo that you created. Hats off to you, sir. And, you know, whatever free services that you're offering. So all kinds of MSME can be brought on the second hand. On the third hand, we have financial institution coming on board, and all these people collaboratively put together can actually serve this section of the society who wants to be in the business but don't know what business. So such kind of platform I've been contemplating, I've been thinking about it very deeply and seriously. And in case if somebody can help me to actually realize that dream, I'll be really grateful. So go ahead, Roshan sir, we are all ears to listen to you.
So thank you very much. So basically, I have been in the accounting domain for the last 25 years based out of Singapore. So I thought of using my domain knowledge and creating software as a service for business people like you and everyone here to empower them to make sure that, you know, their business insights are in their pocket. Right now, it may be in a software called Tally in your office. Your staff must create a report out for you to look at the tax, legal, statutory requirements or your management reports. So I've created something on the cloud, which is hosted on Amazon Web Services for everyone to access free and use the accounting there. So Sushil sir, maybe if you give me an opportunity later, I would be more than happy to introduce. Maybe I need an hour to go through that whole thing, which is more like how we can empower business people to go on the digital adoption platform, and my tiny bits of support to go on that platform, which is not going to be costly, or which is almost like zero cost for the people. So maybe I will reserve my time and explanation for another time if you are gracious in giving me another opportunity to present. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I would be grateful in case if I can have your connect, which I'll anyway have it from Ravi, sir. But I would be very happy to have your email ID and your telephone number so that I can connect to you offline later. And as you rightly said, today in our country, this pandemic has taught us a beautiful model that we can be doing hybrid and still, you know, increasing our top line and bottom line. The country's economic conditions say that we are growing at the rate of 9.6%. We are likely to be in double digit in times to come. And there's going to be exponential growth. And what happened, because certain amount of MSME probably crumbled under the pressure of this particular cash flow problem. But, you know, those 25% people who gave way, that's how the large corporates are today running ahead with their top lines and bottom line growth. And so are the organized and sustainable people who have this manufacturing ideology and certain of principles. They stood the weathers and storms of this kind of thing. And I'm sure Ravi sir is one of those. As I said, you know, I've been calling him a poster boy because he's somebody who's exhibited the caliber and execution ability to actually do it, and is talking about pan-India scale and all that thing. Hats off to you, sir, for this particular endeavor that you're doing. And we certainly need your intervention, because what happened, seeing is believing. You showcase that, and probably a lot of our friends and groups, you know, probably we are only very limited, small number of people on this group at this point of time. Probably because a lot of people do not buy this detail and, you know, an idea that this could be done. They always think, no, use, you know, just sell the commodity, be in the space of competition, and, you know, try to circumvent whatever you can and survive out of it, which is not a great idea. If Furlenco can raise 1,000 crore rupees, Byju's can become this. Byju is in a different domain altogether. But nevertheless, today in furniture, as we're talking from $10 billion to $100 billion, who is going to make it happen? People like Ravi sir, with that Blue Ocean strategy, with that disruptive mind. And I think that's where the technology comes in place. And that is the need of the hour. Everybody needs it. For a small timer to people with a thought idea, how we can take the entire society on board. So thank you very much. I will certainly connect with you, sir. I got your connect. Thank you very much. Anybody else has any question, please?
Yeah.
Contact details.
Yeah, I hope you have seen that.
Roshan sir, this mobile number. Acha, okay, I got it. +65. Okay.
Yeah, I have put it.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think he can also bring international speakers into this platform for motivating the Indian industrial people. I think you got very good connectivity across the world. You can bring few people over here and let the Indian industries get motivated.
Sure, I can do that. Definitely, I can do that.
Matthew sir, as Ravi sir just mentioned, and Ravi sir, having understood this particular thing from you, the way you had spoken about a couple of these startups and so on and so forth, the example that you've given, that shows that you have a huge depth. You have been studying them, you have been living them, and you are actually propagating that dream. So I would certainly like to meet you. Probably either I will come down to Kannur and speak to you, spend time with you, and even with Roshan sir, and take it forward and create some kind of platform which all of us across India, probably under the mother umbrella, can actually be creating our own shop play, workshop and all the thing, and maybe have dual dealer distribution, etc., and amplify our production system or a distribution system in a much better manner. And that it all depends upon, whoever is the best, survival of the fittest is the thing. And there's nothing wrong about it, but in a very constructive manner rather than a disruptive manner, or rather than in a destructive manner. So disruptive is fine, destructive is not good. So we've been doing that for quite some time. So I think that will be a brilliant idea. We will certainly go ahead, sir. Anybody has any questions, sir? Or we can close this session. I want to just quickly give a vote of thanks and.
Any question? Any other question, please?
All right.
The way Ravindra sir provided the idea from our